stay very quiet right now. If Mom finds you here, we are both in trouble. I promise I will keep you safe.
Leo, what is that strange noise in there? I know I heard something move. Open this door right now!
I bet I can reach the garden first today. Race you to the old oak tree. Ready, set, go, Mia!
No fair, Leo. You started early. I will still catch up to you. Just you wait and see.
Leo, look at this right now. There is a tiny spaceship here. Where did this amazing thing come from? Hello there, little friend. You do not need to be scared now. My name is Leo. What is yours? His little spaceship looks broken right now. Let's bring him inside to help him. We can keep him safe together.
Ooh, boop, boop. This little toy is so shiny. I really like this room a lot.
Try this yummy fruit right now. I hope you really like the taste. We will keep you safe and fed today.
That is such a strange little sound. It sounds like it came from upstairs. I should go check on this now.
I hear Mom's footsteps right now. We need to hide Blip quickly. Mia, please help me right away. Right away. Please stay very still under here now. We will explain everything soon. Just trust us for one more minute. Please stay very quiet right now. If Mom finds you here, we are both in trouble. I promise I will keep you safe.
Leo, what is that strange noise in there? I know I heard something move. Open this door right now!
What in the world is that right now? Leo, is that a real alien? I cannot believe what I am seeing! I am sorry we kept this secret, Mom. We found him in the backyard today. His little spaceship is broken now.
Oh my, he is actually quite sweet. You should have told me right away, though. Secrets like this need an adult's help.
You are right, Mom. I am sorry. Being honest would have felt much better. I promise to tell you things now.
We need special parts to fix his ship. Let's go to the store together now. Blip needs a good disguise first.
There we go. A perfect disguise now. You look like a funny little kid. Nobody will notice you today.
We need to find those special parts fast. Please stay close to us, Blip. This store is really big today.
Ooh, whoops-a-daisy. I did not mean to do this. So many colorful cans everywhere now. Let's clean this up quickly now. We can help fix this mess together. Blip did not mean any harm today.
We finally found the right parts now. These should help fix your little ship. Let's hurry home and try them.
Now, your little ship should work again soon.
I am really glad we could help.
My little ship is finally working now. I can go back home to my family. But I will really miss you all.
We will always remember you, Blip. Thank you for such a fun adventure. Please visit us again someday soon.
What a wonderful, honest adventure today. I am so proud you told me the truth. Our family helped a little friend. Have you ever kept a fun secret before? Tell us in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more amazing stories. Here is our tip, friends. Keeping a secret from someone who loves you usually makes things harder.
Honesty is always the braver choice. Bye-bye, everyone! Stay honest and stay kind. See you in our next adventure!